Best Electronics. Hi guys, in this video, I listed top 5 best Dolphin key cutting machine in 2023. Number 5. Xhorse Dolphin XP005 key cutting machine version 1.6.8 works on phone application via Bluetooth compatible. Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Available in stock. Specifications. Number 4. Xhorse Dolphin XP007 manually key cutting machine for laser dimple and flat keys. Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Available in stock. Specifications. Number 3. V1.6.5 horse Condor Dolphin XP005 XP005 automatic key cutting machine works on iOS and Android via Bluetooth compatible. Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Available in stock. Specifications. Please click subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 2. Xhorse Dolphin XP005L Dolphin 2 key cutting machine with adjustable touchscreen. Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Available in stock. Specifications. Number 1. Xhorse Dolphin XP007 XP007 manually key cutting machine for laser, dimple and flat keys with built-in lithium battery. Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Available in stock. Specifications. Thanks for watching.